Nature Nugget! Nature Nuggets! Yay! Here we are again, a little later in the day than usual. Mommy had a rough morning waking up, so it took me a little longer to get going today, but I had the day off, so it's all good. Where my puppies hiding? Where my puppies hiding? No, this way. Chloe. Hey, Chloe, get out of there. Get out of there. What is she doing? Don't you know how to read the signs? It says restricted area. Right, Tyson? Hey, get out of there, yo. It says restricted, Chloe. You gotta put your reading glasses on with your drool across your nose. This way. Chloe, over here, baby. Good girl. You gotta break. This way. Hey, get over here. You got a path to the beach over. Get Chloe. Stay over here. Not just for a minute. Ooh, 5 of these wrapped up. Yeah, right. Get. Oh my goodness. What has gotten into the two of you today? You're ridiculous. You know better, both of yous. We've been over this. Yous are just being cantankerous little nerds. All right. Nature Nugget, Thursday, November such and such, 8th. And they're going in the water. So that's how we'll end it. Puppies in the water. Have a good day, everybody.